Criminal law is tough, but if you're willing to rise to the challenge, you'll be hard-pressed to find a more exciting, diverse, or thought-provoking legal career. From what criminal law entails to what you'll study in law school, to the skills you'll need to practice in the real world, and what it takes to succeed in this rewarding legal specialty. Today, we're going to focus on a legal career in criminal law. Criminal law focuses on crime, that is, acts committed in violation of law. Now, this field of law is concerned with an individual's relation to society. Therefore, anyone who breaks criminal law may be punished with imprisonment or fines. Thereby, you can say that criminal law aims to deter and punish the conduct which is perceived as threatening, harmful, or endangering to the public, its property, or moral welfare. The government creates crime legislation to ban certain actions relating to the above. Such legislation forbids behavior including murder, sexual assault, property damage, theft, and motor offences. And also includes international relations and extradition, money laundering, and terrorism. Therefore, the criminal justice system acts with a dual focus. On one hand, criminal laws are used to control society's action, and the other is criminal law also includes the punishments and rehabilitation of people who violate laws. Whether you hope to become a criminal lawyer or enter another practice area, your career path will begin to take shape once you enter law school. You'll complete combination of required courses and electives, many of which will expose you to the practice and particulars of criminal law. It all starts with a course covering the foundation of criminal law. Criminal law course initially focuses primarily on two key crimes, that is, murder or homicide, where students looked at relevant statutes, different degrees of murder, and the elements of proof needed to prove the guilt. And sexual assault, where students learn how that crime and the law itself have evolved. The law classes also covers potential defenses to those crimes as well as mitigating factors. Though such horrific crimes might spring to mind when you think of criminal law, there's more to speciality. In fact, there's a surprising universality to criminal law. It really touches on a lot of the different areas that any lawyer would be interested in. Plus, there's the added component of working with people, whether it's victims, defendants, family members, or organization within the government institutions. Most students have been exposed to some aspects of criminal law through books, television, and movies. While that can be helpful to some degree, it can also be somewhat misleading. Naturally, the examples found in entertainment are designed to be just that, entertaining. The realities are often more subtle. To gain a better understanding of the real-world practice of criminal law, students should take advantage of internships, summer programs, and experiential coursework in law school. They might also consider participating in professional organizations that support students as well as working professionals. Students are also strongly encouraged to network and seek out mentoring relationships which might involve attending professional events on campus, reaching out to law school. For example, sitting down for an informational interview with a family friend who happens to be a criminal lawyer can be immensely helpful in clarifying your career choices. All this being said, even if you are strongly considering criminal law, it's best to keep your minds and options open in law school. Don't shut any doors. Students frequently discover previously untapped interests through their law school courses and experiential learning opportunities. First year criminal law class consistently inspires students to pursue this path. At the same time, students who start law school focused on a particular area often end up changing their plans. In any case, it's important to be realistic and gain as much experience as you can in the legal areas that interest you so you can make informed decisions. Bachelor's degree in law, excellent written and verbal communication skills, strong critical thinking and research skills, excellent decision making and problem solving skills, ability to work autonomously and with a team of lawyers. The scope of practice includes bail bond, hearings, plea bargains, trial, revocation hearing, parole or probation, appeals and post-conviction remedies. As a part of the lawyer's job functions, a criminal lawyer will investigate the case and interview witnesses, research case laws, statutes, crime codes and procedural law, build a defense and develop a case strategy, negotiating with prosecution to plea bargain to lesser charges, draft, file and argue motions such as motions to dismiss and motions to suppress, advocate for the defendant at trial, draft, file and argue appeals. I've linked my previous videos in the description below. Go ahead and check them. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Have a great year ahead and see you in the next video.